Hey everybody, it's me, the Einstein of Wall Street from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, greatest financial institution in the world. Thank God this week is over. I mean, I really don't even know what to say. The irrational enthusiasm around this market, it's as if nothing is going to take this market down. Every pullback has been super shallow. Every rally has been aggressive. Today, what do we got? $1.1 billion on the tape, 4-to-1 up volume to down volume. Okay, that's buying with intent. Transports ups, VIX down. I mean, that's like that perfect Russell. The Russell's back in play here. FANG up, drugs up, utilities up, SPYs up, 40 handles, Dow up 300. I mean, it's just, you know what? They kept trying to talk up these last 3 days that were actually the first days that we've seen red the longest sell-off we've seen in months, and it was a 3-day shallow sell-off. I was like, you can't call that a sell-off. That's absolutely ridiculous. So it all just goes to show that today a lot of stuff came out. It's super important. We could just literally machine gun it. So economic data came out sort of in line, core PCE, okay? Then you had some other economic stuff yesterday. There were some revisions and whatnot, GDP revisions up. Amazing. How did that even happen? That's just kind of baffling, right? Even in the eyes of tariffs. Then today, with lower interest rates, 25 basis points the other day, you sort of thought maybe there's going to be a little relief in the housing department. Well, sure, you know what happened? The Presidente decided he's going to lay out 100% tariffs on drugs, on heavy trucks, on things that you would buy when you're like building a new house, like cabinetry and, oh my God, and upholstered furniture and all that. However, fascinating part of it, he's always thinking, if you are a company or a country that is making a product, wanting to import it to the United States, subject to tariffs. However, if you show intent or have a commitment to start manufacturing it in the United States, then you will have no tariffs. You know what? At the end of the day, I mean, it all does make sense. We do need to bring America back from a manufacturing deadland to back in the game. Whether it's a car business or any number of businesses, that is one of the most important things we need to do. So I support on that. But anyway, whatever happens, we closed out the week up. We're going to close out September up with all that chatter about like, oh, it being a weak month and seasonality and all that. That is BS. Even the sell in Rosh Hashanah buying Yom Kippur trade, that one didn't work. I mean, there's nothing but green on this screen. Look at that. Literally, besides the VIX, there's nothing but green on that screen. No matter what, 3 days of a sell-off, forget about it. It was the most shallow sell-off anyway. Running up the week up, everything about this is happening. Good news is bad news. Bad news is good news. It's the end of the week. The only good news about this news is that it's over. It is over, and I'm out of here. Boom, I gotta get out. Have a great weekend. See ya.